Hello, today I want to talk to you guys about one of the ways I do passive income. Um, One of the ways I do it is by using my computer power, my computer GPU. I have one 1080, so since I'm not always using my computer, when I'm not using my computer, I leave it hashing. I use GamerHash because it's a very slick process and it pays kind of well for my GPU. Right now they say that there is 620 total persons using it, and they did already these payments. I received my first payment um, this month. um, this is my wallet, like you can see. Right now I have $5 here and $7 of gamer coins here as well. Also receive I have $1 as well. I'm hashing right now, and also in my other computer I have 5 cents. So every day I make around, I don't know, $2 more or less. Here you can see in my wallet. Here you can see in my wallet. I did one transfer out of $53 to my Celsius account. I already had a video about Celsius, and basically I've been using this. Before I was using NiceHash, but this one is makes a little more money than NiceHash, because NiceHash, when you install it, it only mines Bitcoin. This one is a little more intelligent, and for example, right now it's choosing to mine Ravencoin on my GPU, and on my CPU is choosing to mine Monero, and then it converts to Bitcoin and pays me in Bitcoin. Also, in the beginning of the month, I don't know very well how it works, but in the beginning of the month, also gives me these gamer tokens. Right now, this month I got, last month I got 142. I mean, this month for the 15 days beginning, I got 142 tokens, and I can still take it out. It shows up in my portfolio. The guys that saw the other videos, you can see it shows in my portfolio. And but to take out, I need a little more than this. I need, I think, the minimum amount. Oh, right now the minimum amount is 350. Okay, and I have so yeah, I still have to mine a little more, and someday I will be able to take out the gamer coins. So yeah, this is what we have right now. I have the I'm using this, taking out the bitcoins and also the gamer coins. Um, so it's very interesting for me because this service is very easy to use. You can set up in more than one computer. For example, I have set up in two computers. One of them only mines on my GPU, and the other one mines in both. And you have more ways to make money. Like for example, I already did this. I had to receive some coins and hold them in one wallet, and I wasn't able to do this too because I didn't have time to do it. But it shows up some things that you could be doing, and you can receive some money for it. Okay, it's interesting. It's interesting. You also have a store where you can say spend the gamer coins and everything. We have some games that you can just come here and buy. You have the price here, and you can pay part of or it all with a coin. So, for example, right now I could trade my gamer coins for one of these games, and then I receive the Steam key, and I add to Steam. You know, it says some of them are in Steam, most of them are in Steam, and I can just add them then in Steam. Okay, so it's an interesting way to do it, to for them to do it, and yeah, it's an interesting service. I recommend. It's a very good way to get passive income. $62 a month is okay. For example, last month I think I did 50 for one month. I took it out. I did around $53. It's okay because sometimes it goes down my computer and stuff, and yeah, so I lose some money, and I already here already have some more 5, but you can see, like for example, I got 75 in one day. Probably there was some problem with my computer in that day. 2 in another, 1.3, 1.8. So yeah, I've been mining and getting more money. I think today it was gonna be a good day. I have already 30, so I'm gonna be in this range from 37 to 43. Depends on how much I'm gonna have at tomorrow at 8 a.m. Okay, so it's a very interesting service. I hope if you guys have some computer, if you have some GPU that you are not using, you can install this and make some money. And then I advise you guys to take out the money from here and move it to a place that gives you yield. I recommend Celsius. In a future video, I will also talk about blockfi. It's another option. But that is also, you can put in Binance, you can put in KuCoin, and other places where Gemini, where you can get yield. Uh, I don't think Coinbase has yield for Bitcoin, but yeah, I believe that the best place for Bitcoin is on Celsius right now. So guys, enjoy and try it out, GamerHash. It's gonna be the link in description. If you join with my link, you have some advantage. Um, I get $1 for each friend that earns 5, and yeah, I get $2 when 0.2 when you mine $2. Uh, you also get like if you join with my link, you get some satoshis and you get 60 days of GamerHash max rank, which is pretty cool. You're gonna mine a lot of that GamerHash coins. So yeah, just enjoy my link that's gonna be in the description and try it out, guys. Have a nice day and make passive income. Don't forget to like and subscribe.